When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and efficiency of your home, few upgrades can have as significant an impact as custom windows and doors. Whether you're renovating your existing home or building a new one in West Columbia, opting for custom-made windows and doors is an investment that can pay off in numerous ways. From improving your home's aesthetic appeal to increasing energy efficiency and enhancing security, custom windows and doors offer a wide range of benefits. But are they really worth the investment? In this article, we'll explore the reasons why custom windows and doors are an excellent choice for homeowners in West Columbia and how they can provide long-term value. Perfect fit for your home's design. One of the biggest advantages of custom windows and doors is that they are designed specifically for your home's unique needs and style. Unlike standard, pre-made options, custom products can be tailored to fit the exact dimensions, architectural style, and aesthetic of your home. Unique styles and shapes. Whether you want traditional double-hung windows, elegant French doors, or contemporary sliding glass doors, custom options allow you to select the perfect style for your home. Custom windows can even be made in a variety of shapes, such as arched, round, or octagonal, allowing you to create a truly unique look that complements your home's architectural design. Seamless integration. With custom windows and doors, you don't have to worry about awkward gaps, poor alignment, or mismatched frames. Custom solutions ensure that your windows and doors fit seamlessly with your home's structure, enhancing both its appearance and functionality. By choosing custom options, you can ensure that your windows and doors perfectly align with your home's design, creating a cohesive, polished look. Improved energy efficiency. In West Columbia, where temperatures can fluctuate, maintaining an energy-efficient home is crucial to keeping energy bills down and staying comfortable year-round. One of the standout features of custom windows and doors is that they can be designed with advanced energy-saving features, helping to keep your home more comfortable while reducing your carbon footprint. Tailored insulation. Custom windows are available in double pane or triple pane glass options, which improve insulation and reduce heat transfer. This means that during the winter, your home will retain heat, and in the summer, it will stay cooler, reducing the reliance on heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient materials. You can select custom windows and doors made from energy-efficient materials, such as low emissivity, low-E glass, which helps block heat in the summer and retains warmth in the winter. Additionally, custom doors can be designed with insulated cores and weather stripping to ensure maximum energy efficiency. Investing in custom windows and doors can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency, lowering your utility bills and creating a more comfortable living environment. Increased security and safety. When it comes to protecting your home and family, the quality of your windows and doors matters. Custom windows and doors are built with the latest security features, providing you with greater peace of mind. Stronger materials. Custom-made doors, especially steel or fiberglass options, are more secure than standard wood doors. They are less likely to warp, break, or be forced open by intruders. Custom windows can also be made with impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames, making it much harder for criminals to gain access to your home. Improved locks and features. Custom doors often come with upgraded locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks, which add an extra layer of security. Custom windows can also feature secure locks and anti-lift devices to prevent tampering and enhance safety. By choosing custom options, you can ensure that your home is better protected from potential intruders, keeping your loved ones and belongings safe. Increased property value. Upgrading to custom windows and doors is one of the most effective ways to increase the value of your home. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with high-quality windows and doors because they add to the home's overall appeal and efficiency. Curb appeal. Custom windows and doors are designed to enhance the exterior of your home, making it stand out and boosting its curb appeal. A beautifully crafted entry door or large, expansive windows can make a lasting first impression on potential buyers. Marketability. Homes with energy-efficient and secure windows and doors are highly desirable, especially for buyers looking to save on energy costs and ensure the safety of their family. By installing custom windows and doors, you increase your home's marketability, potentially leading to a higher resale value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more beautiful and secure living space, custom windows and doors can provide a strong return on investment. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Custom windows and doors are built to last. When you invest in high-quality, professionally made windows and doors, you can expect them to stand the test of time. Unlike mass-produced windows that may show signs of wear and tear more quickly, custom products are made with superior materials and craftsmanship, ensuring long-term durability. Additionally, many custom window and door manufacturers offer warranties that protect your investment for years to come, providing you with added peace of mind. Conclusion. Custom windows and doors are worth the investment for your West Columbia home. Upgrading to custom windows and doors in your West Columbia home is a smart investment that provides long-term benefits. From improving your home's energy efficiency and security to enhancing its curb appeal and market value, custom windows and doors are a versatile upgrade that meets your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a way to improve your home's aesthetics, reduce energy costs, or increase its overall value, choosing custom windows and doors is an investment that pays off both in terms of comfort and future resale potential.